Hey guys, today we're going to go over line plots again. Alright, so let's look. Number one, what is the total number of orders? So we're just counting all of the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Number two, which occurs the least often? So what we're doing here is we're finding the number that has the least amount of x's. Which one has the least amount of x's? 1 and 1/4. And the last one, how many orders are more than 1/2 but less than 1 1/2? All right, so the way we're doing it here is we have to separate the data. So which ones are more than 1/2? So these are not more than 1/2 because it's 1/2 or less. And then it says which ones are less than 1 1/2. So here's 1/2. We don't need that one either. So we're talking about all of these. So how many orders are in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these, if you look at it again, all right, so they're saying which ones are more than 1/2. So this is more than 1/2, right? And then which ones are less than 1 1/2. So we're talking about in between here. Number one, what is the shortest length? All right, so you're saying which one is the smallest number, but it has to have a dot on it or an X. All right, you can't say 1 1/4 because there's nothing there. So which one is the shortest one with a number or with an X on it or a dot? 2 inches. Next one, is there an outlier? So an outlier means a number that is far away from the other data points. All right, so there is right here. This is the outlier, 3 1/2, because if you see, look how much farther away it is from the other ones. And the last one, how many feathers are longer than 2 1/2? So they're saying which ones are bigger than 2 1/2? So you can't include 2 1/2 in this because we want bigger. So how many are bigger than 2 1/2? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this is what you're working on today. So there's problems on there. So if you have any questions, let me know and go through the problems.